Hello my dear friends, if you have started your relationship with somebody, then you can share a beautiful post of your beautiful moment on Facebook in a very specific way. And that's what I'm gonna show you here in this video. So without further ado, let's get started. After opening your Facebook profile, just click here, what's on your mind. And now scroll down a little bit. And now select the last second option, live event. Now select the third option, relationship. Now select the first option, new relationship. To add your own customized photos, just click on photo or videos option at the top right corner. And after selecting your picture, just click on down in the top right corner. And now you can add your partner here. And then if you want to write a little bit description about your relationship, just click on say something about this. And then write whatever you want to write, okay? And after adding and writing everything, just click on next button at the top right corner. And now to share this post with the public, just click on post at the top right corner. And if this video helped you in sharing your relationship post on Facebook, then hit a like. And if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful and informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. See you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you, bye bye.